Thinking of a career in teaching? Looking for a program that embraces Māori philosophies, principles and mātauranga Māori? Here at Te Wānanga or Aotearoa, we offer a unique qualification that prepares you for work as a kaiako in primary and intermediate schools around Aotearoa. He Korowai Ākonga degree will empower you to become a culturally responsive practitioner able to work with a diverse range of learners. Our holistic approach gives you the theoretical knowledge of teaching and learning, as well as incorporating opportunities to gain practical teaching experience. Under the guidance of qualified kaiako, you'll learn how to plan lessons aligned to the New Zealand curriculum, assess and evaluate learning, and embed concepts of te ao Māori into your practice. This full-time 3-year degree is delivered through a mixture of in-class teaching, through collaborative working environments in noho marae, as well as practice-based learning in a school. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.